Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do theater makeup. This is a more basic theater makeup routine because I switch it up depending on the play. So this is just the basis line of what I do. So you should already have these makeup at home, but if you don't, that's fine because I'll have other alternatives that you can use. The first step that I do is primer, which this is optional. The next or first step is foundation. You want a good base to start with, just like in any other makeup routine. Next, you want something that's darker than your face, like a contour, bronzer, or like I'm using this eyeshadow from Jones Road in the shade Smoky Brown. Next, you're going to get a dark palette of blush and apply it just like you normally would. And you can maybe touch up around your face or wherever you bronze, depending on how dark or light it is. I don't know if you can see, but I did apply the blush on my cheekbones and around my face. So now we're going to put on some powder and blend it out, kind of. Now in this step, you can set your makeup, but since I'm not actually doing a musical or play, I'm going to skip this step. I forgot this step, but you put bronzer on your nose and you can put more powder on top. But if you feel like it's fine, you can skip this step too. The next step is mascara, which you will also put on how you normally would, but probably just make it bigger so that it can stand out to people in the back rows. The last step is lipstick. I typically do a pink color because it stands out to the audience and it's something people wear on a normal daily basis. But if the director has another plan, I would always ask them first. That is my typical theater makeup routine. If you like this video, please subscribe, because if over summer we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will do a Q&A session with the most liked comments. I'll be taking the most liked comment from every single video that I make before summer. I hope to see you in the next video.